The Cough That Ran Away. Most stories start with a boy, or a girl, or sometimes both. Though this story starts with a cough.
Hello, I'm a cough.
This cough lived in the mouth of a boy called Milo. Milo was at home playing when he had to cough. The cough noticed Milo did not use his hand, jumped out of his mouth,
And run away.
The cough, being an adventurous cough, ran out of the open door and down the road. As Milo was not allowed to chase the cough by himself, it's time to introduce a mum.
Hello, I'm a mum.
And a dad. Hello, I'm a dad. And for no reason, the neighbour's dog called
Barney.
Woof! The first person to try and catch the runaway cough was Mum. Because mums are mums, she had a tissue in her pocket. But try as she might, she could not catch that runaway cough. The next person was Dad. Because dads are dads, he had a gadget just for this sort of chase. A cough-catching net thingamabob. Though try as he might, he could not catch the cough that ran away either. Well, as for Barney, he just ran around in circles, chasing his tail, and was no good at catching that cough. This left Milo, and he had an idea. He ran up to the cough, stuck out his hand, and scooped him into his mouth. The moral of this story is only you
Can catch your cough.